Okay, what way up does it go? Oh, I think it's that way. Anyway, manuals, eh? Destructions, blimey. Well, they're never as clear as you'd hope them to be. And this assembly manual isn't too bad, but the actual drawings themselves, in my opinion, are too small. All these little detail drawings, and they're like grey on grey. They're quite hard to see. Especially when you get a bit older and all that, your eyesight ends as it used to be, is it? Now, the thing is, you see, I made a video of the assembly of this longer B1 laser. I have to admit, I'm really impressed with it. You know, it's really, really nice thing. And it's not horrendously priced either. But you see, I put it together and I missed one thing out. Yes, one thing I should have done and I didn't do. Well, I had a look at the manual and thought, oh, hang on. Oh, I see, I didn't do that. Stage 6, all right? Now, the problem with these flipping manuals, such as this one, you've got grey on grey on these little detailed drawings, and it does make it hard to see. Now, the thing is, though, you see, there is stepper motors on this particular laser, and any lasers, generally stepper motors, which operate the belts, yeah, and the drives. And at the back, in the rear rail, not this rail, well, there is one in this rail as well, but in the rear rail, there is a stepper motor, but also a drive shaft, and on either end of the drive shaft, there is a toothed pulley which operates the toothed belts. There's one there, and there's one there. That stepper motor ain't going to work unless you plug it in, which I didn't, like an idiot. And I was querying this strange random wire that was taped to the bottom of the actual laser itself. Let me just show you where I mean. Now, this wire here has to be plugged into that stepper motor, and in my opinion, it's too tight. I had to really give a bit of welly to actually just get that in. Right, that should have a bit more slack in it, to be honest. And I couldn't see any other route to get to it. I'd have thought it'd been better if it went in from behind and back round that way. But it ain't long enough to actually do that. But you see, this particular cable was taped to the bottom, just behind where the actual belt is, to that rail. And I think, crikey, where the earth does that go? It's not before I'm going to reach over there, but it does, but only just. So that's a bit tricky. And it operates this stepper motor here, which has this drive shaft, which then operates that belt on that side, that belt that side. Yeah, without that being connected, that stepper motor is not going to work. No, oh crikey, all four of its, no, eight of its, eight induction motors, or 8 induction coils on a stepper motor. I think it's 8, or was it 4? I think it's 8, isn't it? Yeah, 8. Induction coils. Stator coils. Oh, blimey. So, it should be okay now, but I just thought I'd point that out because you might be coming across a similar issue, especially if you're new to these things. And I am relatively new to lasers. You know, I got this Longer Ray 5 20 watt here, which I had a bit of success with. I'm actually really pleased with it. It's really good. But this one is the 40 watt laser. I'm very excited to get this one up and running, for which I'll be making loads of videos regarding this. And we're going to be doing some cutting. I'm more confident than cutting on this one than I am with this one. I think it's going to be more accurate. The engineering of it is superior to the Ray 5. So I think I'll have more success with this. And there's a rocket ship I want to make. Which we do laser cutting and plywood wire. I might even make it out of hardwood even. Even better, wouldn't it? If I can. We'll see how we go. But anyway, I thought I'd just let you know. But check out my other video, my assembly video. And there will be some more videos about initiating this B1 laser very soon. And I know there's some people in the channel who have got more experience with lasers than I have. And I do appreciate the advice you've been giving me as well. I really do. So cheers. Thumbs up. Toodaloo. Don't forget to hit the like button, maybe subscribe to the channel and the little bell icon, so you get one of this video. But I'll get every time I upload another video. Toodaloo.